dear students of standard 7th. In algebraic expressions and operation on them, we are going to start multiplication of algebraic expressions. Now in this example, two terms are there, 4x and 3y. We have to multiply that. So here both are monomials. 4x is also monomial, 3y is also monomial. So you have to remember, when multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficients along with signs. Then multiply the variables. So which two are coefficients here? 4 and 3 are coefficients. And signs are here also plus, here also plus. So both are positive. So along with coefficients, first we have to multiply. Along with signs, first we have to multiply coefficients. Okay. So 4 into 3. And then we have to multiply variables. X into y. Now 4 into 3, 12. X into y, xy. Multiplication is 12xy. So one thing is different from addition and subtraction, that is, if unlike terms are there, then also we have to multiply. Okay. Now one more example, 2 into 4ab square. Now we have to multiply first what I told. First you have to multiply coefficients. So what are coefficients here? With signs, negative 2 and 4. Okay, negative 2 into 4. And then variables are into a square into ab square. ab square. Now 4 2s are 8 and minus plus minus. So negative 8. A square into a. Now here you have to use rule of indices. What rule? Base are equal and indices we have to add. Here 2 is there, here 1 is there. So 2 plus 1, it is 3. So here a cube and b square as it is. So answer is negative 8 a cube b square. So this is what? Multiplying monomial by monomial. We have to multiply monomial to monomial. So here I will write multiplying monomial by monomial. Okay. Now we will see multiplying a binomial by monomial. So first term will be binomial, second term will be monomial. And vice versa. Means first term may be monomial, second term may be binomial. Binomial is expression. Okay. First simple example we will take. X plus y into x. This is binomial, two terms are there and this is monomial. So how to multiply? So by this x, you have to multiply every term given in bracket. So first term is x. Okay. So we will multiply x and this x. X into x. Middle you will give plus sign and then y into x. Y into x. So what is the multiplication? X into x is x square. And y into x you can write xy or yx. Okay. Yeah, it's very simple. Only if signs are there, negative or positive, that you have to consider properly. Now here no sign means all positive terms are there. Now we will see one more example. 7b minus 2a multiplied by negative 3b. So I will give bracket to this term also because negative sign is there. Okay. Now we have to multiply this first term by this 3b. Then second term again by this 3b. See, 7b is first term multiplied by negative 3b. Now second term with sign. Negative 2a multiplied by negative 3b. Now here we have to multiply 7b negative 3b and negative 2a negative 3b. First we have to multiply coefficients, as we have seen how to multiply monomial to monomial. Okay, one term to one term. See, Now here coefficients are 7 and negative 3. First we will multiply that. So 7 into negative 3, and here it will be b into b. Now here it will be negative 2 into negative 3. So negative 2 into negative 3, and then a into b. So it will be a into b. Now 7 3s are 21 and sign will be minus. 7 3s are 21. So it will be negative 21, and it is b into b square. So what is this term? Negative 21 b square. Now we will multiply this one. So negative 2 into negative 3. So negative 2 into negative 3, it is 3 2s are 6. Okay. Here we will write 6. Now we will think about sign. This is negative, 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 negative. It will be, yes, it will be positive. So plus sign will be here. So 3 2s are 6ab. So here I will write ab. This is our answer. Negative 21b square plus 6ab. Now these two are unlike terms, and in addition and subtraction we are not adding unlike terms. Okay, here b square is there, here ab is there. Variables are different, so these two are unlike terms. So this is our answer of this multiplication. Now next multiplication, multiplying binomial by binomial. Binomial means two terms are there. So example we will see, then we will understand it. Now this is the example. 2x plus 7 in first bracket multiplied by x plus 2. Here this is binomial, this is also binomial. So how to multiply, that we will see. So while multiplying, what to do? This is the first expression. You have to take one term from first expression and multiply to second full expression. Okay, see, with the help of steps you will understand. Suppose 2x I will take and multiply this whole bracket. It is x plus 2, and second one plus 7 x plus 2. Means what we have done here, multiplied by this first term to this bracket and again second term to this bracket. Okay, now both expression examples we got here. This is how multiplying by monomial to binomial, and this is also multiplying by monomial to binomial, and then we have to multiply. Simple, it is very simple. It looks big, but it is very simple. Now we will multiply by this 2x to this x. So it will be 2x into x. Again this 2x to this 2. So it will be 2x into 2. Then this one we will do 7 into x. So plus 7 into x, and then 7 into 2. So it will be plus 7 into 2. So here you have seen that every time we have to take every term with sign. Now here all positive signs are there. Now we, in another example we will see negative signs if they are, then how to do. Okay, so with signs you have to take. Now multiplication we will do. Here one multiplication, here also one multiplication, here also one, and here also one. Okay, so 2x into x, it will be, coefficients are here 2 and here 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 ones are 2. And x into x, it will be x square. Now 2 and 2, coefficients are 2. So 2 2s are 4. And here x is there, here no coefficient. So x, only x will be there. Okay, and sign it will be plus because both terms are positive. Now here 7 into x, here 7 coefficient is there and here 1 is there. So 7 ones are 7 and only x. So 7x. Now here no variable is there, only coefficients are there, only numbers are there. So 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now here all terms are added. Now while adding, what to see, what we have to remember? We have to remember we can add only like terms. So are there like terms? Yes, this 4x and 7x, they are like terms are there. So we will take that. So this 2x square as it is we will write, and this 4x plus 7x we will add. So 4 plus 7, yes, 11. 11x plus 14. So this is answer of our this multiplication. Now here all unlike terms are there and we cannot add or subtract them. Now we will see one more example. 3a minus 2b and second bracket negative 5a plus b. We have to multiply these two expressions. So what I told, first from first expression you have to take first term. It is 3a. So we will multiply by this 3a to this second bracket whole expression. So it will be negative 5a plus b. Okay. Now this second term it will be 2b, and again we have to multiply by this negative 2b to this second expression. So it will be negative 5a plus b. Okay. Simple. Now multiplying this monomial to this binomial. So it will be 3a into negative 5a. So 3a into negative 5a. Now 3a into b. So it will be 3a into b. Now this multiplication it is finished here. Now this second one, negative 2b. We have to take it with sign. So it will be negative 2b multiplied by this negative 5a. So we will put bracket to that because both are having negative sign, multiplied by 5a. See here I have not given multiplication sign. Then also here multiplication is there. If sign is not there and if sign is there, then also we have to multiply them. Now this negative 2b and b. So here it will be negative 2b into b. It looks big but it is very simple. Now here we have to multiply these two terms, again these two terms, again these two terms, and then these two terms. So first these two terms we will multiply. Coefficients are 3 and negative 5. 3 5s are 15. And with sign we have to multiply. So here plus and here minus. Plus minus it will be minus. Now here a and a. Variables are a and a. A into a it will be a square. Now here these two terms we will multiply. Plus sign or minus sign it will be, that we will decide after that. So here 3 coefficient is there. Here 1 is there. So 3 ones are 3. And here a and b. Variables are a and b. So a into b is a, b. Now this is also plus. This is also plus. Positive, positive. So it will be positive. Now see this second one. Negative 2b, negative 5a. First we will multiply coefficients. Negative 2, negative 5. So 5 2s are 10. And variables b and a. So it will be ba. Now we will give sign. So what sign will be there? Negative, negative, it will be positive. So here it will be plus sign. Now last two terms. Negative 2b and b. Here coefficient is negative 2 and here 1. So 2 ones are 2. And what sign will be there here? Negative sign, here positive sign. So minus plus it will be minus. Now we will multiply variables. Here b and here b. B into b, it is b square. Now one more step we will do here, because we have to find out like terms if they are, and we have to add or subtract them. See here negative 15a square, then here 3ab and here 10ba. AB and BA same it is. So here we can write this 10BA as 10AB also. So here also AB, here also AB. So these two are like terms, and this is separate unlike term, negative 2B square. So what we will do here, first term as it is negative 15A square, we will add these two terms, 10 plus 3, 13. We will add because here both were positive signs are there. So 10 plus 3, 13AB. It will have plus sign. And then negative 2b square as it is, negative 2b square. This is answer of our this multiplication. So here you got how to multiply binomial by binomial. Yes, it is so simple. Slowly, stepwise you have to go. You will get correct answer. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Revise it again.